talaga natin ito na plan nung 25th silver wedding anniversary nyo, and since nag-pandemic, ngayon natin siya sineselebrate.
Hi pa, thank you sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi hinayaan niyang makilala kita, magtagpo tayo ng landas. Binigay ka niya sa akin. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo mo, pagsisikap mo, na pangarap mong makaahon tayo talaga.
Happy 30th wedding anniversary! For me, kayo talaga nag-motivate sa akin to work hard on my studies so I can give you guys a better life in the future. So, yun.
Together feels just like it should. Life is good.
Nung lumipat kami sa Pansol from Lagro, kapitbahay namin sila. Then may store sila. Ayun, bumibili. Siguro naispatan ako. Tinanong na. Ayun, doon na nag-umpisa.
Say you keep on getting closer. You are the reason I can find my way home. When I'm with you, I know I'm where I belong. Life is good. Life is good.
Kaya sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag pag-iwalay ng tao.
Together feels just like it should. Life is good. Life is good.
30 years or 33, 3 years na magka-relationship tayo. So pinatunayan natin na hindi hadlang yung pagiging young couple na hindi mag-success in marriage na maraming nagsasabi before nung nagpakasal tayo noong 1995.
Life is good. Life is
Thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat ng pagsusumikap mo. Sa walang katapusang pangarap, para sa ating lahat naman yung pangarap na yan, di ba? Love you pa.
I won't mind if I love you till the end of time. Darling, all the privilege would be mine. I don't take it for granted. Love divine, I felt heaven and my world collide.
Happy 30th wedding anniversary and congratulations. Nakayanan nyo umabot ng 30 years.
Para sa akin, perfect family na to. Yun lang. Love you all.
In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. You take me inside, you take me inside.
Sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya noong tinitipan kitang maging aking may bahay. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at magpakailanman.
Amen. Sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya. Noong tinitipan kita maging aking asawa, sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at kailanman.
Sana after 20 years, kasal pa ulit tayo sa ating 50 years anniversary. I love you, Ma, for being such a wonderful wife. I love you so much.
Hold you close. I would give my life for you, you know. And I swear to never let you go. Not even for a